Good morning, students. Now today we do the worksheet number 2, question number 3 and 4. So before doing these two questions, let me give you some formulas to solve these questions. So look at this formula. If you have to find the cube of a into b, cube root of a into b, it is equals to cube root of a multiply with cube root of b. Means you have to find out the cube root by finding individual cube roots. Similarly, if we have a cube root of 3 of a upon b, means a divided by b, we have to find out cube root of this fraction. Then numerators, we have to find the cube root of numerator and cube root of a denominator. So let's move for the question number 3, first part. Your first part is you have to find the cube root of a multiply 125. So which step we will follow? That cube root of a into b is equals to cube root of a multiply cube root of b. So we will take out cube root of 8 and cube root of 125. So you know what is the 8. 8 is a 8's prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2. Then 125 prime factors are 5 into 5. So from this triplet we take 1 2, and from this triplet we take 1 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So therefore the cube root of 8 into 125 is 10. So let's do the next part. It is question number 2. You have to find the cube root of 3375 multiply 720 minus 729. If you see that, again we use the same formula, that we have to find the individual cube root. So we find the cube root of 3375 using the prime factorization method. So what are the prime factors of 3375? 3 times 3 and 5 times 5 is also 3 times. But here is minus 729, and you remember that we have done this minus, how to find out the cube of a root of a minus number. So we can write minus 1 into 729. So again we separate the two terms, minus 1 minus cube root of minus 1 and cube root of 729. So what is the cube root of minus 1? It is minus 1, and the cube root of 729 factors are 9 into 9 into 9. So we take 1 9 from triplet. From triplet we take 5, from this triplet we take 3, and minus 1 is there. So when we multiply we get minus 135. So final answer of this is cube root of is minus 135. Now moving to the question number 4. You have to find the cube root of a fraction 4913 and 3375. So we use this formula that, what I have shared you before the starting of the video. So 4913 divided by 3375 cube roots. So 4913 has the cube root of 17. So we write 17 cube root, and for the 3375 we write 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 we take 1 triplet from the 1 factor from the triplet. So 17 we have taken. Then from this triplet we have taken 3 and this 5. So 17 upon 15. So cube root of 4913 by 3375 is 17 by 5. Thank you.